Hello all. Um, English Premier League is back, and so the Fantasy Premier League as well. So many guys would be raring to pick their team and would be looking for a consolidated schedule. So we just tried to put all the schedules together, and for the first game week, if you see, there are double game weeks for Arsenal, Aston Villa, Manchester City, and Sheffield United. Definitely, people would stuff their teams with forwards from Manchester City. Definitely, Sergio Aguero would be a favorite, and there is a chance that Kevin De Bruyne would be there in every team. Most percentage of the teams would have him. And then from the Aston Villa, if you see Jack Grealish, definitely would be there. And another forward to consider is Aubameyang. So these guys would definitely be there among the goals. And the Sheffield United side, Lundstrom is one of the favorite defender people have in their teams, most percentage. So people are ready for this game week, and luckily people who have more Manchester City guys in their team would be lucky for this particular game week. Now if you see the next games, even though this time they are lucky, the next games, if you see, looks a little tough for them. Chelsea, Liverpool, Southampton. So from here again, they look somewhat easy for them. So Manchester City, while for the first players for the first 3 weeks, except the first week, would be having a tough time, and this is the mouth-watering game which everyone would be looking at. And by this time, the title would have decided, but Manchester City would look to roll off Liverpool and show that they are the superior team. And similarly, Arsenal-wise, if you see, Arsenal have two two to three games tough in between. Otherwise, they have a chance of good scoring. Arteta would be looking for his guys, Lacazette and Aubameyang, Pepe. So this he would be looking at these guys to score goals for him, at least the first few games, except the Manchester City game. He could see his guys scoring. And the other important team, Manchester United, these guys have, to be frank, a very not a tough teams ahead, except the first Tottenham, where the former manager would be coming here, and then Leicester City. So except these two, these guys look they should have a convincing games. So the first game week we'll look forward, and then coming to the rules, basically, as we know, the Fantasy Premier League has given unlimited transfers for the first week, and that's a good thing. You can rearrange your team based on the needs. And another important thing is that 5 substitutes are allowed instead of 3. So that means there is every chance, like the case of Riyad Mahrez, who always comes on substitute most of the times, could get a chance, and he could be one of the players. So similarly, there are other guys, and then you can use your triple captain, bench boost, or the free hit chips whenever needed, starting from this game week. A restart for the Fantasy Premier League managers. So our favorite team composition would be, the forwards will be led by Rashford, Aubameyang, and Danny Ings. Definitely, Rashford would be in the goals. Aubameyang would be there in the goals. The first game week, Manchester City game could be tough, but other things considering the schedule, Aubameyang has good chance of scoring goals. And Danny Ings, the cheap option, and definitely will be there in the goals. Kevin De Bruyne must in the team like Salah basically. So Salah and Kevin De Bruyne are the good choice here. And then Jack Grealish, considering the first double game week and some of the games that Aston Villa have. And there could be option between Pepe and Martial here. So we would prefer Martial considering his goal streak and his form this year. And coming to the defender side, Lundstrom, as we said in the beginning, Van Dijk, Ars, and Alexander Arnold. If you have money and for a guy, definitely Robertson would be the guy here. Otherwise, a cheap option of Evans or Kelly could be the options here. And then personal benefit, personal like confidence I have on David DB. So he could bring in lot of saves, even though Manchester United have been leaking goals. But this guy can bring up lot of saves, which would help. And Pope is the highest point scorer this year. So either of these could be the goalkeeper. So this is the team which we think could come up. And some guys might think of these guys. Son, he can score goals anytime. That wonderful goal from the defensive to the offensive side, where he scored single-handedly. No one could remember this, could forget this year. And then Sergio Aguero, considering the game week, double game week, and title race. So title race looks bleak. Opportunities look bleak for Manchester City, but still Sergio Aguero is a good guy there. And Riyad Mahrez, as we said, could have good opportunities. Bruno Fernandes, he is a good option to have in the midfield. He showed class, and definitely these guys shall score goals. Todd Cantwell, so Norwich City. So this guy could be a cheap option here, considering that Timo Pukki and his combination would form a good team. And Robertson, as we said, if you have space, include him. So if you are not personally a fan of David Didi, go for Alisson. And then Mason Mount is another option which you can have. This guy has the chance at the speed which he accelerates in the midfield, and there are several fans for him. Timo Pukki, as he said, as a forward could be another option. And if you want to have a low cost option of another forward, Joelinton from Newcastle could be one option. So there is a team composition which we are thinking of, and options which you could think of. So all the best, guys, and this has given a lot of relief to the Fantasy Premier League managers, and what they would be eager to see the Premier League starting, and their teams raring to go forward. Thank you, guys.